and is wearing provocative clothes. Burke insults Zeke and embarrasses him in front of everyone. In the library, Casey asks Stokely for help because she's into weird fiction. After he shares what happened, she makes a joke about alien stories and Casey thinks she may be right. Afterward they meet with Stan and Delilah and the group goes to the science lab, where they find the aquarium empty. While they discuss the alien theory, Zeke brings Mary Beth to the room next to the lab to search for chemical supplies to make more uppers. After sharing a kiss, they overhear the alien conversation and Zeke decides to play a prank, pretending to be hurt by aliens as he and Mary Beth enter the lab. They're suddenly interrupted by Furlong, who demands an explanation. Zeke mentions Casey's alien theory to embarrass him, only for Furlong to cover the window and claim he sent the weird creatures to the university. When Zeke tries to leave, Furlong pushes him to the ground. Casey tries to attack him and gets grabbed by the neck while Delilah is pushed when she tries the same. Zeke takes the blade off a paper cutter and when he slashes Furlong's hand, the severed fingers just start crawling towards the others. Furlong jumps on Zeke and reveals small tentacles coming out of his cut fingers, so Zeke stabs him in the eye with one of his upper pens before kicking him off. As the fingers try to crawl on top of the teens, Furlong throws Zeke against the aquarium yet suddenly he starts stepping back and falls. The group checks on him and finds him dead, making them realize these creatures are weak to Zeke's illegal powder. Casey sees the parasite has come out of Furlong and grabs it for evidence. Afterward the group leaves the lab and as they walk through the corridor, they notice all the other students staring at them. Those in class are also behaving as perfect little angels. They make it to the parking lot and leave in Zeke's car, trying on the radio but it's all static. There are cops blocking the road outside the school, but Zeke just makes a sudden turn and drives away anyway. Later at Zeke's house, they gather in his garage lab and discover he has a gun. Casey gives the parasite to Zeke, who drops it in a rat cage and drops some water on it. The parasite immediately reacts and grabs the rat to infect it through its ear. Then Zeke dissects the rat and discovers that this is some alien parasite that attaches itself to a host and controls it. They need moisture to survive, which explains their weakness. Zeke's upper is a diarrhea.